You guys, do you notice anything different? I'm gonna give you a hint. I got extensions. Not the kind that you have to go to a salon for. I got these off Amazon. I'm obsessed with them. They're halo extensions. If you've never heard of those, you basically just put them in like a headband over your hair. And I made a whole separate video on it where I linked them and everything, so you guys can go check that out on my YouTube channel if you want to. Today, I wanted to bring some fun braids to you, and these are some pulled out rope braids, and I'm gonna show you just how I did the style. All you need are extensions if you want them, but you don't need extensions. You can do this with any density of hair, and honestly, you can do this with any length of hair. You would maybe just obviously stop a little bit shorter. You could do the same technique just on the top of your head and let the rest of your hair hang over it, and that would still be super cute. But literally all I used for this was 2 elastics, just like this, and that's it. Now, when I start this tutorial, you'll see that my hair is curled because I was putting my extensions in, but you don't have to curl your hair for this. In fact, you could do this on your wet hair, you could do this on your straight hair, you could literally do this on anything. You don't need to curl your hair before you start this look, just as a preface. Go ahead and check me out on Instagram. And if you have a YouTube account and you want to, go ahead and subscribe with the other 2 people that are here. Without further ado, here we go. To start off this look, just split your hair in half down the back and put your regular part in. My part is a side part, but you could also do this with a middle part. You're gonna start off by taking a small section right at your part and splitting it into 2 pieces, a front and a back. It doesn't matter if the part is perfect, just use your fingers. Okay, so you're gonna take the front piece and you're gonna put it over the back piece, and then you're gonna twist both pieces towards your face. For the next section, you're gonna pick up a little bit more hair right at the front of your hairline and add it to that front section. And you're gonna do the same thing and add hair to the back section as well. And then we're gonna do the same thing where we're gonna cross them over so the front piece goes over the back, and then we twist both towards our face. And then we're just gonna keep doing that process. So we're gonna keep adding hair to both sides. Make sure that you are grabbing hair from all the way in the back when you're adding it to that back section. And then you're gonna cross them over and twist them both towards your face. And you're gonna sort of guide them back behind your ear. The smaller the sections you take, the more detail that you're gonna have, but if you want it really loose, you can also take bigger sections for a more beachy vibe. Cross the front over the back, twist them both towards the front of your face. Again, we're gonna add a piece of hair to each section, cross the front towards the back, and twist them both towards your face. Whenever I say the front section, what I mean is the section that is closest to the front of your body, and the back section is the section that is closest to the back of your body. Once you can't add any more hair, just keep twisting them both towards your face and wrapping them in that opposite direction. It's really important that you do these twisting methods because you can see how it creates sort of like this rope. If you just twist them without back twisting them towards your face, it will immediately unravel the second that you put an elastic around it. So you need to twist them both in the same direction and then twist them away from each other. Twist towards the face, wrap them away from your face, twist towards the face, wrap them away. Then I'm just gonna take this small elastic and tie it off. And now we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. So again, we've got that small piece. We're taking a front and a back, twisting the front over the back, and then they both get twisted towards the face. I think you guys probably get the idea by now, so I'm just gonna speed up this last braid. We're gonna tie it off. So if you wanted to, you could totally just leave your hair like this. It's super cute, but personally, I like it to look just a little like, you know, more undone, kind of like me. Starting at the bottom, I'm just gonna take a little section and I'm going to start to pull it out. And this is just gonna fluff the braid. And I'm gonna do that all the way up. Now you could use some type of like texturizing spray before you do this if your hair is more slippery and you want a little bit of grip to it to like really puff it out, but this hair I don't really think needs it, and I don't mind if it gets even messier throughout the day. Then I like to go ahead and just grab some pieces around my face, kind of mess it up just a little bit, and that's it. So that is how you get these pulled out rope braids. You can do this all over to one side. You can do this on any density or length of hair. You don't have to, you know, put extensions in like me, because I love this on thick hair. I love this on long hair. Honestly, I loved it when it was short hair. You can also do this technique just across the front, or like maybe to right here if you have shorter hair, and it makes for just like a really cute little braid right there to get it off your face. If you didn't see it, I did do an extension video where I showed you how I put these new extensions in. It's super easy, and you can go check that out if you want to on my YouTube channel. But if you're not interested in that, you just came for the braid, I'll go ahead and link the extensions down below as well. I know this was a super short and sweet type of tutorial, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you find maybe some use for it. Again, even if you have short hair, you can still do this. Even if you have thin hair, you can still do this. It's just the technique that you're learning. I just like being able to show you with, you know, more hair. I'll probably be doing a ton of looks with these extensions because I'm literally obsessed with them. But if you are interested in seeing more styles, let me know, and I would be happy to do some for you. I hope that you all are staying safe in quarantine. I hope we're almost to the end of this. But as always, you guys, stay healthy, stay safe, stay positive, and stay inside. Love you. Bye.